So starting the test drive in this ZR2 DURAMAX here, I really like the DURAMAX engines in these 1500s, specifically in the ZR2, because with this lift and everything, your fuel economy numbers can get pretty low. So this has been driven almost 300 miles. It's averaged 23 miles per gallon the last 50 miles. So that's pretty impressive. But I also like the pickup, the sound, everything here just, it's very tough, very aggressive. What you would expect if you're gonna get a ZR2 half-ton truck, in my opinion. I'm gonna get it in sport mode, give it a little pull here. Here we go. So what's funny is the truck is relatively quiet. As you get up to speed, it doesn't do too much. It's just it's very you know, it's just, it gets going. The turbo does its thing. It's very nice. But I want to give a huge thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But it's a nice ride here. You can hear the tires. The ZR2, it has a lift, so it's not the quietest thing, but it's not anything that would bother the average person. Now, it's not gonna ride as smoothly as a high country, but you're not getting the ZR2 if you were gonna get a high country. Now, in terms of what you get for the money here, I think $76,000 compared to how much other new trucks are costing right now, it's not bad at all. You get the ZR2 package, so you get that off-road suspension, the 2-inch lift, everything that comes with that. But you also get all these luxury amenities as well, having a heated steering wheel, sunroof, rear camera mirror, power sliding rear window, heated cooled seats. It's crazy all the tech that's included on this. Not even thinking about the heated back seats, the Bose sound system, the heads-up display. And I think for a full-size truck, this will save you quite a bit, I think, as opposed to a fully loaded high country. But there's nothing here there's nothing on the high country I think I would miss as opposed to having this. But I also have that full off-road 4-wheel drive capability here. And honestly, I love the DURAMAX, the half-ton DURAMAX engines. I just think they're stout. I think they drive nicely. They're super fuel efficient. Even though diesels is like $1 more per gallon around here, you're looking at probably 23, 25 miles per gallon average as opposed to probably 16, maybe even lower with this ZR2 when you throw in the lift, the off-road tires and all of that. But visibility wise, like having the blind spot monitors. The only thing that really hinders visibility compared to the standard 1500 is going to be this hood scoop, but it's not really a big deal. It's a lifted truck, so you want it to have that stance there, and I wouldn't take it away. But it's a solid truck, I think, for the money. If you consider, again, the capability, you have full 4-wheel drive, you have a diesel engine, and I mean the ZR2 package itself, just, if you're going to be using this for off-roading, for having fun, you're going to love this truck. And if you're using it for daily driving, you're going to love this truck as well. So I mean, I just think it's a good option at a time where fuel prices are high, car prices are high. This doesn't feel like absolute insanity when it comes to paying your bills. So all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 Silverado 1500 ZR2.